What is the DREAM Act? Have you ever wondered what happens to children who grow up in a country but lack legal status? This is where the Development, Relief, and Education for Alien Minors Act, commonly known as the DREAM Act, comes into play. This legislative proposal in the United States aims to provide a legal pathway for certain undocumented immigrants who were brought to the country as children. These individuals are often referred to as dreamers. They have spent their formative years in the United States but find themselves vulnerable to deportation due to their lack of lawful immigration status. The DREAM Act focuses on granting conditional permanent residency to eligible young immigrants. To qualify, they must meet specific criteria. Typically, this includes arriving in the United States before a certain age, often around 17 or 18 years old. They also need to have lived continuously in the country for several years and pass background checks. After holding conditional status and fulfilling requirements, such as working, pursuing education, or serving in the military for a set period, usually around 8 years, these individuals can apply for lawful permanent resident status. After a few additional years as permanent residents, they may be eligible to apply for United States citizenship. Since its introduction in 2001, the DREAM Act has been proposed multiple times but has not yet become law. Each version has had slight differences but shares the same goal: to protect young immigrants who have built their lives in the United States from deportation. It also aims to provide them with opportunities to fully participate in society through education, work, and citizenship. From an anthropological viewpoint, the DREAM Act connects to broader themes of societal evolution and human rights. It reflects how societies negotiate identity and belonging for people who, despite lacking formal citizenship, have strong cultural, social, and economic ties to their communities. The Act addresses challenges faced by immigrant youth who often navigate multiple cultural identities, those of their family's origins and their lived experiences in the United States. Practically, the DREAM Act recognizes the importance of education and economic participation as pathways to social inclusion. By allowing dreamers to work legally, attend college, or serve in the military, the Act supports their potential contributions to society. It also addresses issues of justice and equity for a population that has often been marginalized by immigration policies. In essence, the DREAM Act represents a legislative effort to provide young undocumented immigrants with a structured route to legal status and citizenship. It reflects ongoing societal debates about immigration, identity, and human rights within the United States.